to delete your Squarespace account permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how can you delete your Squarespace account permanently. So first, just head over to your Squarespace account. So make sure you're logged into your account, of course. And once you're inside here, just tap on this account setting option over here, and from the right of your navigation bar, and simply select this account and security option. Now simply scroll down, and here you should see the direct option to delete account. Just select it. So once you select it, it will open a new option. So it will ask you to verify with your registered Google account or your account, and it will ask you to delete all of your account or content linked to your account will be deleted, something like this. And it will show you this screen from over here, and just tap on this delete account over here, and it will give you the warning that this can't be undone. Now simply click on confirm since we want to delete our account, and just like that your account will be successfully deleted. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.